Hello beautiful souls, so I welcome you to the Mystic Deck Tarot channel. So today in this video we are talking about Mother Kuan Yin wish fulfillment ritual. So before that, let's get to know who is Mother Kuan Yin. So firstly, Mother Kuan Yin has two names, Kuan Yin, and in Chinese she is also called as Guan Yin. She is considered the goddess of mercy and she is one of the most widely venerated figures in Buddhism. And her name itself says the one who hears the cries of the world. And she represents unconditional love, divine compassion, protection, and healing, fertility, motherhood, forgiveness, wish fulfillment, especially when you have the pure intentions. So I think now you has the basic knowledge of Mother Kuan Yin. So without getting late, let's get into the wish fulfillment ritual. So with this ritual, you can manifest anything within 21 days. And the first step of ritual is choose clean and quiet place, then light a white candle and use any incense stick which is available with you. And now sit comfortably and say the invocation prayer to call Mother Kuan Yin. This you can say it loudly or silently based on your convenience. O beloved Kuan Yin, goddess of compassion and mercy, I call upon you to gentle grace. Please accept my offering. Bless me with the guidance, clarity, and the fulfillment of my sincere wish. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So now take a white clean paper and draw a proper circle in the middle of the paper with a blue color pen. Now inside the circle above you have to write the switch word of together, divine, love, reach, Kuan Yin, now, thank you. And down to that write your wish. For example, Mother Kuan Yin, thank you and I manifest, request you to grant my so and so wish. And then down to that write thank you, thank you, thank you for the 3 times. And now after filling the circle with this, you have empty space around the paper. So around the paper you have to write the mantra of Namo Kuan Shi Yan Pusa for 11 times. And you have to do this ritual for 21 days. Same process. Inside the circle, write the switch word above and write your wish and then thank her for 3 times. And the remaining space in the paper, you have to write the mantra of her for the 11 times. And after that, you have to close the paper 3 times towards you. And after closing the paper, you have to write the offering. For example, Mother Thankwen, thank you so much for your kind blessing towards me. After this wish got completed, I'll give you the public gratitude by spreading your name. You can put it as your story, status, and also you can comment on the YouTube video by thanking her. So that would be spreading her name and she loves it. After 21 days, collect all the 21 papers and you can leave them in a flowing water, for example river. If you don't have that option, you can also leave those papers under a tree in a temple, or else you can also bury them under sand in the plants which you have near to your house or in your house. But if you are burying them in a sand in the plants which you have in your house, but you're supposed to water them every day. And that's all. With the hope, love and respect, honor towards the Mother Kuan Yin, just let it go the wish. Don't think about it and don't just think that whether it's going to happen or not. Just let it go. Once your wish got completed, you are supposed to give her an offering that you can light a white candle with love. She accepts it. Or else you can also give a public gratitude, which means you are supposed to put a status, story, or else you can comment on any YouTube video that how she helped you after doing this ritual. She laughs when you spread her name. This is so simple and easy to do, and with this ritual you can manifest anything you want in 21 days with the pure intentions. So do this with a trust and you will see the magic in your life. Based on my personal experience, she's very kind energy and she treats you like her kid. So that's all for today guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like my content, you can subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you, thank you, thank you.